tell you what it's all about. Said if you want the things that matters, then you can put a fence around. And then you laid it out and buy dirt. The final one you can live without. And get a ring and let your knee hit the ground. Do what you love to call it work. Throw a little money in a faded shirt. Sing your prayers up and your roots down deep. Head up to the lips to your family tree. And watch their pencil marks in the grass of the yard. Oh, grow up, 'cause the truth about it is it all goes by real quick. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy dirt. You can buy dirt. I thank the good Lord for it, 'cause he ain't making any more of it. And buy dirt, and find the one you can live without. And get a ring and let your knee hit the ground. And do what you love and call it work. And throw a little money in a plate shirt.